Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for the first time in a month. So we'll have a little look around, doing an Anfield Road expansion update. Not used to this now. So I haven't been all the way through January. Simple reason was, with this coming to an end, I wanted to see if YouTube would be a viable way of making money for myself while doing other projects without relying on this Anfield Road expansion. So yeah, I just wanted to have a little experiment. So I'm back here today. Don't know how many times I'll be here from now on, but have a little look around and see what's what. So the place where I will start is the Forever Stones. Now I haven't seen many people's videos, so I'm not too sure what they've covered and what they haven't. So if I'm repeating what other people said, I apologise. So we'll start on the little plaques that are on the floor. So these ones here are just Liverpool crests, basically. Now I think something else would be going there because they look boring. I'll put some footage on of what I took last night when I done some match atmosphere. These ones are a bit more interesting. So that one's got John McKenna's name on it. John McKenna founded Liverpool, okay. I'll just quickly scan through them. That one is William Barkley. He was Liverpool's first manager and the person who gave the club its name, according to that plaque. I'd never heard of him, believe it or not. The next one is Tom Watson. Still Liverpool's longest serving manager, apparently, yeah. And he's buried in the cemetery behind me, which I'll show you in a minute. And we've got Archibald Leach in that one, who gave the main stand its iconic look back in the day, and designed lots of stadiums around the world, well, around the country. He, let's see what these are doing on the cherry picker while I'm chatting rubbish. Archibald Leach designed Goodson Park, Villa Park, Craven Cottage. He designed Ibrox, I think, as well. So yeah, he was quite big in the stadium design and business back in the day. I don't know what's going on here. I think I've only been thrown out once as well. There's no one in it. It's just up there. So someone must be knocking about. So there's cladding there, and so someone's putting cladding somewhere. Can I see what's missing? No, I can't. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, Tom Moore is buried in this cemetery over here. So I'll try and find his grave and do a little video about him. Do a little bit more research on him. It's a little project for me anyway. Yeah, so sorry for being away so long. People have been asking if I'm coming back. Yeah, I did say in my last video that it wouldn't be my last video, but I knew I was going to take a little break just to experiment on other stuff, that's all. Right, so let's come around here. See what these guys are up to. A little bit windy today, so I won't go over the stadium itself. Work going on the side. So yeah, I covered this last night in my match atmosphere video. So these shutters down here, this is where the corporate hospitality is going to be. Well, the entrance to the corporate is there. It was meant to be open last night for the Chelsea game, but it wasn't. They did say in advance that it wouldn't be ready, but it's one of them. Obviously the concourse up here isn't ready. I'll come at night and have a little nose inside, see what's going on in there. But you're not going to see much during the day. When the lights are on, you can see right inside. Right, I've walked on this road and pathway, and it's looking good, you know. All the little niggles that were worrying me personally have all seemed to have been sorted out, or in the process of getting sorted out. The road's nice and smooth, the path is nice and smooth. Even the Forever Stones, they are looking a lot more level than they did when I first walked on them. there's some very uneven ones, and they look as though they've been sorted out. Which was sent an email by Liverpool, because I've got a couple of stones going down there, and they said that people complained that they weren't happy with how the stones looked, and they were sorting it out, so they kind of sorted it out. Let's have a look down this way, because there was a patch where there was just tarmac. I think it's still there, isn't it? Yeah, so that's still to be sorted out down there. Okay. But yeah, the little plaques look good, but I reckon these two bigger ones, I reckon they're temporary, because it's just got a Liverpool crest on it. It looks a bit rubbish, if I'm being honest. Sorry guys, I'm a bit sniffly. It's cold today, it's windy. Yeah, I haven't picked the best day to come back. Yeah, I can see a crane over here. I want to see what that's doing. Got a bit higher and stay out the way. Oh, I might have to go over the ground. That's interesting. Oh no. What are they for? I thought that was concrete terracing, and it's not, is it? You know what? No, that can't be happening, yeah. That inside corner bit. How are we getting around here? This is concrete terracing, and that's interesting. But I can't see how they can get that done without going on the pitch. Right, I'm going to fly over the ground stadium here. Let's get a bit more height. Might be able to hear the drone in the air. It's whizzing away, doing this thing against the wind to counterbalance itself. Yeah, it's getting strong wind on screen, so I'll have to be careful. So down here, is the part I'm on about. And there doesn't seem to be any work going on there. But could they work on that without going on the pitch? I think they could, couldn't they? Is there any clues here? No, no clues. Let's see if there's anything going on the pitch while I'm here, then get back over. No. Looking a bit threadbare in front of the cop there, don't it? Yeah, there. Okay. Right, I'm not sure, guys, but that crane's lifting concrete something off. I'm going to stick with them a minute to see. Right, so these smaller, because I'm right above it, it's a slow turn and arc. Right, these smaller slabs here, they're definitely steps. From what I remember when the terracing went in, they're definitely steps. Okay. Now that's got an angle on it. Hasn't it? And that corner is, you know, it's a funny shape. And here's a out to say hello to me. No, it's ran past me, it's fine. It's okay, it's ran to its owner. Interesting development, guys. I want to stay with this for a minute now, because this is what people have been wanting to see and know about. But I didn't think this would happen until the summer. I was told it wouldn't happen until the summer. It's just hanging there, isn't it? Nothing's really happening. What's this guy up to? He's getting in his cab, but nothing's connected, and there's no one there. It's only him. Okay. What I will do, I will walk over in a minute and ask the question. Nothing's quite going on here, is there? Okay. A little bit of interest. Let's try and see if there's anything else I can focus on here. Right guys, if you think I've missed anything, let me know as well. I haven't been here for a month. I feel like it's my first time here. But yeah, I've given out as much information as I know so far. But them Forever Stones, I don't think them Liverpool crest on the bigger ones are going to be staying. I think that'll be something different. I'm going to have one last look at this wagon, then I'll call it a day. Yeah, nothing going on. Right guys, I'm going to call it a day there. I'll be back once a week, twice a week maybe, don't know yet. I'll decide. I've got other projects going on as well. Those that watch the homeless ones, I'm concentrating on raising awareness for the homeless in the city. It's just a project that I wanted to work on for a while, and now I've got the ability to do it. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching, thanks for all your support. I'm sorry I haven't been here all month, but there's 1,000,001 people doing this now, so yeah, I don't think you'll have missed much, me not being here. But thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, it means a lot to me. It helps the channel. Give it a thumbs up, that'll give it a reach out there to people who maybe haven't seen my channel before. And comment, because I always reply to the comments, okay? So thanks for watching guys, and as always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now. So it's a simple case of, if you don't ask, you don't get. I've been over about them concrete things on the wagon. It's very blowy out there, you can tell by looking at me. Don't you have dirt on my head then. That is the concrete for the corner. He showed me he didn't know what it's for. He said he's just delivering these concrete slabs. He didn't know what for, but he's got plans. He said, well, the plans make sense to you. I said, well, you've shown me them yet, I'll have a look. And it's that corner of how it's going to look when it's done. So yeah, I took a picture of it. Picture will be on screen now, and probably early in the video as well. So yeah, thanks for hanging on for the end there. That's interesting. That's a massive part of what everyone wants to see. That corner section getting filled in. As one person said, they've never been excited over the corner as much since Alexander-Arnold against Barcelona. And it looks like it might get done before the end of the season. He's only offloading and put it on the ground for now, so when it gets done, I don't know. But yeah, there's going to be some movement on it. Thanks for watching.